This is When to Schedule and Take Standardized Tests by Overlook Tutorial Academy. Your junior year and the fall of your senior year can seem like a minefield of important tests that stretches between you and your objective, college. In this article, you'll find a map that will let you navigate through preparation and testing without anything exploding in your face. What tests? There are 3 sets of tests that most students in the USA need to prepare for and take. Preliminary tests are made available by both the College Board, producers of the SAT, and ACT Incorporated, producers of the ACT. These preliminary tests are important. Each is a chance to practice test-taking skills in the live environment. Your scores on these tests give you a good measure of how well prepared you are for the actual SAT and ACT. The preliminary tests from ACT are called Explore and Plan. Explore is given to 8th and 9th grade students, while Plan is given in 10th grade. If they're given at your school, be sure not to miss the practice opportunity. The PSAT, on the other hand, is a must-do. Not only is it good practice, but it is also the NMSQT, that is, the qualifying test for the National Merit Scholarship Program. The National Merit Scholarship Program is an academic competition for recognition and scholarships that began in 1955 and screens more than 1.5 million entrants each year. Recognition as a National Merit semifinalist, even without winning one of the scholarships, would be an enhancement to any college application. Entrance exams are the famous SAT and ACT tests. These are the highest stakes tests you are likely ever to take. Your scores on these tests draw a line in the sand that college admissions committees look at first. They do not, by any means, constitute your entire application, but each produces numbers that cannot be ignored. Until recently, many colleges specifically required either the SAT or the ACT, but today most colleges that require a test will accept either one. The SAT reasoning test tests the subject matter learned by students in high school and how well they can apply that knowledge. For instance, the critical thinking skills necessary to succeed in college. The SAT-1 consists of 10 sections, 3 writing, 3 critical reading, 3 mathematics, 1 variable, that is, unscored. The first section is always the essay, and the last section is always a writing section. In between, the academic content areas may come in any order. The ACT assesses high school students' general educational development and their ability to complete college-level work. The 4 multiple-choice tests cover 4 skill areas: English, mathematics, reading, and science. The writing test, which is optional, measures skills in planning and writing a short essay. Subject matter tests specifically focus on what you have learned in one class or another. Some colleges and universities expect or even require them, while some do not. Regardless of requirements, good scores on these tests are a way to add luster to the application by demonstrating that your grades are well earned, not just the result of rampant gradeflation. AP tests culminate AP courses. Through AP college-level courses and tests, you can earn college credit and advanced college placement, stand out in the admissions process, and learn from some of the most skilled, dedicated, and inspiring teachers in your school. During each year of high school, you should take as many AP courses as you can manage, and be sure to prepare for and take the corresponding AP tests. SAT 2 subject tests are the admission tests that measure students' knowledge and skills in particular subject areas, and their ability to apply that knowledge. They are closely linked to the high school curriculum and have a proven track record of providing colleges with a highly reliable, objective assessment of student readiness for college-level work. The SAT subject tests give students an additional opportunity to distinguish themselves and showcase their skills in a particular subject area. When to prep and when to test. Here are some testing times and estimates of how far ahead a good student should plan to prepare. There are many options for preparation, but working closely with a test prep expert is your best bet. Expect to put in at least 4 or more hours of work each week, specifically on your test preparation. In 9th grade, for the Explore test, no particular prep is necessary. If you take the PSAT in 9th grade, likewise, no particular prep. Again, in 10th grade, when you take the Plan test, no particular preparation is needed. Likewise, the PSAT. In the fall of 11th grade, you will take the PSAT for the last time. Be sure to put in at least 4 weeks of preparation. In the late winter or early spring of 11th grade, you will take the SAT 1 and or the ACT. Be sure to prepare a solid 10 or 12 weeks in advance of your test date. In the late spring of 11th grade, you may well retake the SAT 1 and the ACT, if you need to. Then, do an additional 4 to 6 weeks of preparation. In the fall of 12th grade, you can retake again the SAT 1 and the ACT. And you will definitely be taking the SAT 2 subject tests, and each of those will need a solid 8 to 10 weeks of preparation. AP tests are given in the spring of each year at the end of each AP course. Your job as a student is to do what you have always done. Work hard and do your best. Use all the resources you can to prepare: the internet, books, and for sure, a live test preparation expert. Give yourself enough time. Last-minute preparation will make little difference on your scores. And then on test day, be focused and confident of your success. As always, if you have any other questions, feel free to call us. Have a good day.